With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, in this question we are given that mod of x minus 1 divided by mod of x minus 2 is less than equals to 0, then x lies in the interval. We are given 4 intervals and we have to choose the right interval, right? Now we are given with mod of x minus 1 divided by mod of x minus 2 is less than equals to 0, right? So if we consider mod of x as capital X, then we can say capital X minus 1 divided by capital X minus 2 is less than equals to 0. So if we plot this on number line, we will get the points as 1 and 2, and we have to choose for less than equals to 0. Then our interval will be, this will be positive, negative, positive. So for less than 0, our interval will be 1 to 2. But we can see there x, if x equals to 2, our denominator will be 0, so this will be indeterminate. So x cannot be equals to 2. So we can write that our x is, x will belong to 1 to 2 will be open, right? X belongs to 1 to 2, but our x was mod of x. So we can write that mod of x is from 1 to 2. Here will not be equality, right? So now on seeing the left side inequality that mod of x is greater than equals to 1, we can write that x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity, right? This is our first condition. And if we see the right inequality that mod of x is less than 2, mod of x is less than 2, then we can write that x belongs to minus 2 to 2, right? This is our second condition. Now if we club both of them, if we plot it on number line, then our points will be minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. By the first condition, we have x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity, this blue region. And from the second condition, we have x belongs to minus 2 to 2, that is the red region minus 2 to 2. Now if we see what is common in between them, that x belongs to minus 2 to minus 1 union 1 to 2, right? So finally we can say that x belongs to, small x belongs to minus 2 with open bracket, 2 minus 1 with close bracket union close bracket 1 and open bracket 2, right? So this is our final answer. Now if we check in the options, minus 2 to minus 1 union 1 to 2, you can see that minus 2 and 2 has open brackets. So option 3 is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.